What's up, graphic designers? In today's class, we're going to be creating a visual for a yearbook. This is an opportunity for future you and your future spouse, maybe, and kids and family members to look back and see what you were like in the year 2022. And maybe Alex's kids and grandkids and great-grandkids were like, why did our great-great-grandfather think there'd be grass on this basketball court? What was going through his mind? I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to create this. The first thing that we're going to want to do is talk about expectations. So you're going to use the blank that I sent you. You're going to title this file, and this is important, 13517 plus your name. You're going to export it as a JPEG, and then when you're done, you're going to submit it to this email address with this particular subject. It's due on December 2nd. But you are going to submit it in class on Wednesday to earn full credit through me. All right, so here's the blank. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what we did in class on Friday. And we're going to want to get an image, maybe something that looks, you know what? We'll get this one right here. I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to return to Photoshop. And here's the blank that we're going to use, actually. And I'll open up the appropriate named one. And I don't have it. All right, so this is the appropriate size. I'm going to press Command-T. I'm going to increase the size so it looks a little bit like this. Let's say, hypothetically, we want to get rid of maybe this guy right here. To do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the regular lasso tool or the polygonal lasso, and I'm going to create a selection right around it. We're going to right click. I'm going to select this time not fill content aware, but just content aware fill right there. And when I press OK, you'll notice when I look right here that it looks pretty good. He's completely disappeared, so I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to press Command-D, and would you look at that? Looks kind of amazing. Oh, but you know what I do notice, guys? That there's this white line right here that doesn't extend all the way across, right? You can see where he was. So there's a few ways around it. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the lasso tool again. I'm going to make a selection, and I'm going to press Command-Shift-C, just in case, Command-V, Command-Shift-C to get multiple layers, just in case. And here's why. I'm going to drag this on top. And now, all of a sudden, we've got this line right there. That looks far more realistic. I'm going to press E for eraser. And then we can just go a little bit like this, like so. Wow, you guys, come on. That looks kind of freaking amazing. All right, so we know that we're going to use a blank. We're going to produce something fun and exciting and kind of cool. Here are a few examples that students have created in the past. So maybe you're going to be writing an animal of your choice, and they've got laser eyes. Carmelo, I can't palm a basketball. Here we got Prison Mike. We got a collage, a simple collage featuring lots of this individual's friends. This is from last year. Nolan wrote has a quote by J.R. Tolkien, not all those who wander are lost. And I really like that juxtaposition between like this natural sort of landscape and then the Manhattan skyline. That looks awesome, right? Saturdays are for the boys. That one was simple. If not me, who? If not now, when? I like this visual as well. You're going to think about quotes. You're going to think about fonts from defont.com. And I'm going to show you one other thing before you guys jump in. So maybe you want to reimagine a movie poster, and I haven't done this yet. We're going to see what happens. I'm going to go to grab that Hamilton poster. I'm going to go to File, New. And typically, we really do want to build on this blank that I sent you because that's the size that we're really working with. And so I am going to build it on here. That's what I am going to build on here. I'm going to press Command-V. And so I'm going to press Command-T. You guys are going to have to do the same thing. So I'm shrinking it down so it fills this space. Like so. Okay, and so maybe we need to manipulate it a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna use the let's just use a rectangular marquee. I'm gonna go like this. Does anybody know what's gonna happen? Right click. I'm gonna do content aware fill, and you'll notice the green that it's pulling from the green that's highlighted is where it's pulling from the background to create the illusion that it's gone. That looks awesome. Now I'm gonna grab this PNG. I'm going to drag it right in here. Command-T. We'll see what happens. We'll see how this looks. I like this. You guys, I think this is kind of cool. Now, it would be better, of course, if his feet were flush on the top of this. You guys, if you hold Command and then you click on the thumbnail itself, it'll create a selection. I'm going to create a new layer above. I'm going to press G. I'm actually going to right-click, change the paint bucket, and I'm going to fill this in. That looks kind of cool, right? And so what else could we do? We can maybe get rid of the text and, maybe get rid of the text and write AGZ or something like that. Let's do one last one. Let's pull up Harry Potter. Right click, copy image. Last one, I swear. Command V, Command T. I don't really know Harry Potter like that. Maybe some of you guys are fans, and maybe you want to superimpose yourself and all your buddies into this kind of visual. All right, let's pretend that this is amazing. And here's what I know. I'm gonna make a selection. My wife's calling me. All right, I'm gonna make I gotta go, guys. You make a selection. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna select content aware fill. And then would you look at that? It's pulling from all over the place. It looks great here in the preview window. I'm gonna press OK. And then you're gonna take your buddy. Oh gosh, I really do gotta go, guys. And then you're gonna pop yourself in there like that. You know what, Alex? You kind of do look a little bit like Harry Potter. Maybe we're gonna get these glasses. And we'll shift these right here. Wow, this is an amazing senior collage. And actually, we'll just leave it like that. Maybe if we had more time, we'd flip it. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't wait to see your work. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.